Welcome, Kim Hun, English Conversation. Part 2 talking about drinks.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you drink tea? Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea in the evening. Yes, I drink tea in the evening.
Do you drink milk? Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk sometimes. Yes, I drink milk sometimes.
Do you like cold drinks? Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, I like cold drinks. Yes, I like cold drinks.
Do you like hot drinks? Do you like hot drinks?
Yes, I like hot drinks in the morning. Yes, I like hot drinks in the morning.
Do you drink soda? Do you drink soda?
Yes, I drink soda sometimes. Yes, I drink soda sometimes.
Do you drink water every day? Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink water every day. Yes, I drink water every day.
How many cups of coffee do you drink? How many cups of coffee do you drink?
I drink 1 cup of coffee every day. I drink 1 cup of coffee every day.
Do you drink fruit juice? Do you drink fruit juice?
Yes, I drink fruit juice. Yes, I drink fruit juice.
Do you like coconut water? Do you like coconut water?
Yes, I like coconut water. Yes, I like coconut water.
Do you like hot chocolate? Do you like hot chocolate?
Yes, I love hot chocolate. Yes, I love hot chocolate.
What drink do you like in summer? What drink do you like in summer?
I like iced tea in summer. I like iced tea in summer.
What drink do you like in winter? What drink do you like in winter?
I like hot tea in winter. I like hot tea in winter.
Do you like milk tea? Do you like milk tea?
Yes, I like milk tea. Yes, I like milk tea.
Do you like smoothies? Do you like smoothies?
Yes, I like smoothies. Yes, I like smoothies.
Do you drink alcohol? Do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't drink alcohol. No, I don't drink alcohol.
Do you drink beer? Do you drink beer?
Sometimes, I drink beer. Sometimes, I drink beer.
Do you like lemon juice? Do you like lemon juice?
Yes, I like lemon juice. Yes, I like lemon juice.
Do you like mineral water? Do you like mineral water?
Yes, I drink mineral water. Yes, I drink mineral water. Part 3 talking about ordering food in a restaurant.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here is the menu. Yes, here is the menu.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
I recommend the chicken curry. I recommend the chicken curry.
What is today's special? What is today's special?
Today's special is grilled fish. Today's special is grilled fish.
Do you have fresh juice? Do you have fresh juice?
Yes, we have fresh orange juice. Yes, we have fresh orange juice.
How long will it take? How long will it take?
It will take 15 minutes. It will take 15 minutes.
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, here is your bill. Yes, here is your bill. Part 4 talking about meals.
What do you eat for lunch? What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken for lunch. I eat rice and chicken for lunch.
What do you eat for dinner? What do you eat for dinner?
I eat noodles for dinner. I eat noodles for dinner.
What do you eat for snacks? What do you eat for snacks?
I eat biscuits for snacks. I eat biscuits for snacks.
Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day. Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
Do you eat lunch at home? Do you eat lunch at home?
Sometimes, I eat lunch at home. Sometimes, I eat lunch at home.
Do you eat dinner at a restaurant? Do you eat dinner at a restaurant?
Sometimes, I eat dinner at a restaurant. Sometimes, I eat dinner at a restaurant.
What food do you eat with friends? What food do you eat with friends?
I eat pizza with friends. I eat pizza with friends.
What food do you eat with family? What food do you eat with family?
I eat soup with my family. I eat soup with my family.
Do you like street food? Do you like street food?
Yes, I like street food. Yes, I like street food.
What is your favorite fast food? What is your favorite fast food?
My favorite fast food is burgers. My favorite fast food is burgers.
Do you eat cake on your birthday? Do you eat cake on your birthday?
Yes, I eat cake on my birthday. Yes, I eat cake on my birthday.
Do you eat popcorn in the cinema? Do you eat popcorn in the cinema?
Yes, I eat popcorn in the cinema. Yes, I eat popcorn in the cinema.
Do you eat chocolate? Do you eat chocolate?
Yes, I eat chocolate. Yes, I eat chocolate.
Do you eat chips? Do you eat chips?
Yes, I eat chips. Yes, I eat chips.
Do you eat salad? Do you eat salad?
Yes, I eat salad. Yes, I eat salad.
Do you eat noodles? Do you eat noodles?
Yes, I eat noodles. Yes, I eat noodles.
Do you eat sandwiches? Do you eat sandwiches?
Yes, I eat sandwiches. Yes, I eat sandwiches.
Do you eat bread? Do you eat bread?
Yes, I eat bread. Yes, I eat bread.
Do you eat eggs? Do you eat eggs?
Yes, I eat eggs. Yes, I eat eggs.
Do you eat soup? Do you eat soup?
Yes, I eat soup. Yes, I eat soup.
Part 5 Fun Food and Drink Questions. What food makes you happy? What food makes you happy?
Ice cream makes me happy. Ice cream makes me happy.
What drink makes you feel fresh? What drink makes you feel fresh?
Lemon juice makes me feel fresh. Lemon juice makes me feel fresh.
Do you eat food when you are tired? Do you eat food when you are tired?
Yes, I eat snacks when I am tired. Yes, I eat snacks when I am tired.
Do you drink coffee when you study? Do you drink coffee when you study?
Yes, I drink coffee when I study. Yes, I drink coffee when I study.
Do you like to cook with friends? Do you like to cook with friends?
Yes, I like to cook with friends. Yes, I like to cook with friends.
Do you like to eat outside? Do you like to eat outside?
Yes, I like to eat outside. Yes, I like to eat outside.
Do you like to eat at home? Do you like to eat at home?
Yes, I like to eat at home. Yes, I like to eat at home.
Do you eat fruit every day? Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I eat fruit every day. Yes, I eat fruit every day.
Do you drink tea with sugar? Do you drink tea with sugar?
Yes, I drink tea with sugar. Yes, I drink tea with sugar.
Do you drink coffee with milk? Do you drink coffee with milk?
Yes, I drink coffee with milk. Yes, I drink coffee with milk.
Do you like ice cream in summer? Do you like ice cream in summer?
Yes, I love ice cream in summer. Yes, I love ice cream in summer.
Do you like hot soup in winter? Do you like hot soup in winter?
Yes, I like hot soup in winter. Yes, I like hot soup in winter.
What food do you eat at a party? What food do you eat at a party?
I eat cake and pizza at a party. I eat cake and pizza at a party.
Do you like birthday cake? Do you like birthday cake?
Yes, I like birthday cake. Yes, I like birthday cake.
Do you eat sweets on holidays? Do you eat sweets on holidays?
Yes, I eat sweets on holidays. Yes, I eat sweets on holidays.
Do you drink juice when you are sick? Do you drink juice when you are sick?
Yes, I drink juice when I am sick. Yes, I drink juice when I am sick.
Do you eat soup when you are sick? Do you eat soup when you are sick?
Yes, I eat soup when I am sick. Yes, I eat soup when I am sick.
Do you like international food? Do you like international food?
Yes, I like international food. Yes, I like international food.
Do you want to try new drinks? Do you want to try new drinks?
Yes, I want to try new drinks. Yes, I want to try new drinks.
Wonderful work today, friends. We learned about food and drinks.
Yes, we practiced ordering food and talking about favorite meals.
Next time you go to a restaurant, try to use English.
Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy your meals.
See you next time.
Bye bye.